Ladies and gentlemen, lined up first among this year's marching contingents is the Border Security Force. The BSF was raised on the 1st of December 1965. Called the Guardians of the Indian Borders and our first line of defense, the BSF proved its worth when it rose to the occasion in the year 1971 and participated in the Liberation War of Bangladesh. The BSF is the largest border guarding force in the world. Today's contingent of the BSF is being led by Sub-Inspector Mohana Ram.
Ladies and gentlemen, also adding grandeur to this year's Republic Day Parade is the contingent from the Central Reserve Police Force. The Central Police Reserve Force was raised in the year 1939 as the Crown Representative Police. The CRPF is the largest and the oldest Central Armed Police Force in the world. The marching contingent at today's Republic Day celebrations is drawn from the 67th Battalion, stationed at Shillong, and the Jawans are being led by Inspector P. Haukip.
We are proud to introduce one of the participating contingents today, which is the contingent from the Sikkim Police. The Sikkim Police was established on November 27, 1897. Over the years, it has expanded to include more than 3,000 civil police, 3 battalions of IRBN and 1 battalion of Sikkim Armed Police. Annually, the state observes the State Police Raising Day and other significant occasions. This year's Sikkim Police marching contingent is being led by Platoon Commander S.I. Suman Pokhrel and Second in Command Devi Prasad Chetri.
Also adding resplendence to the parade, we are glad to announce the next participating contingent from the District Executive Force of the Meghalaya Police. This force has been working with great dedication in crime management, law and order maintenance, traffic regulation, counter-insurgency operations, and providing security for the VIPs. The marching contingent of the District Executive Force is being led by our branch Sub-Inspector Raju K. Sangma.
Ladies and gentlemen, lined up next in today's contingent is the Meghalaya Armed Police contingent of the 1st MLP Battalion, Mauyong. The Meghalaya Armed Police contingent of 1st MLP Battalion, Mauyong has been working with great dedication and devotion to duty in serving the people of the state of Meghalaya. Battalion personnel are deployed for security to VIPs, government properties, and assisting the District Superintendent of Police in law and order duty and counterinsurgency operations. The 1st MLP Battalion Mauyong was notified as an armed police training center on the 8th of March 2010 for conducting various training for armed branch constables, battalion personnel, etc. The contingent of the 1st MLP Battalion today is being commanded by ABSI Jimbat Sangma.
Our next contingent in today's lineup is the NCC contingent, Boys and Girls. The 42nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC, which came into effect from the 1st of April 2020, was raised on the 15th of September 1958 as 8 Assam Signal Section NCC at Darang. On creation of the state of Meghalaya, the 42nd Meghalaya Signal Company NCC was then redesignated as 42 Meghalaya Signal Company NCC on the 22nd of January 1972 and as 2nd Meghalaya Company NCC on the 1st of April 2004 and subsequently as the 42nd Meghalaya Signal Company NCC on the 30th of September 2004. The NCC Boys contingent is being led by Senior Under Officer Alan Vaiche, and the NCC Girls contingent today is being led by Senior Under Officer Dahun Lang Nongtnger.
Ladies and gentlemen, next in the lineup is the marching contingent of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is an educational movement for young people founded in the year 1907 by Robert Baden-Powell. The mission of Scouting is to contribute to the education of young people through a value system based on the Scout Promise and Law to help build a better world where people are self-fulfilled as individuals and play a constructive role in society. The movement is now standing strong at 40 million Scouts and 10 million Guides worldwide. The contingent in today's Republic Day celebrations is being led by Master Stevenson Marthong of the Shillong College.
Next in line is the Indian Red Cross Society, which was established in the year 1920 under the Indian Red Cross Society Act. The Indian Red Cross Society is a member of the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Movement. The Indian Red Cross Society Meghalaya State Branch is being represented by the SOS Children Umyam Village under the banner of the Junior Red Cross Unit of the Indian Red Cross Meghalaya State Branch. This year's marching contingent comprises of 33 marchers and is being led by Commander John Ricky Karbani.
Ladies and gentlemen, in today's Republic Day celebrations, we also have various schools who are participating with us, therefore adding more splendor to the occasion. Next in line, in the marching contingent lined up, we have Holy Child Higher Secondary School. Holy Child Higher Secondary School, Shillong, was opened in October 1973. It is a girls' school, and this institute, from the very beginning, has developed a profound consciousness that for education of the youth. The mission of the school is to make the students aware of their dignity as children of God, cultivate in them love and appreciation for their culture and traditions, and to train them to make correct use of their judgment, will, and affection. The contingent today is being led by Nelima Gurung.
Next in the lineup, we have the marching contingent of the Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. The history of the school spans back to the efforts of the Salesian fathers who used to visit Maulai for the daily oratories, and that was how on 23rd of May 1931 the seed of education was planted in Maulai in the form of the Sacred Heart Boys School. This year's parade contingent of the school is being led by Commander Benizios Aim.
Also adding splendor to this year's Republic Day celebrations, we have the Assam Rifles Public School Horse Riding Contingent. The Assam Rifles Public School was founded on the 1st of September 1980 by Lieutenant General Sushil Kumar, the then Director General Assam Rifles, with a view to provide quality education to the children of Assam Rifles personnel. The school was redesignated as Assam Rifles Public School Sports in the year 2021 by the then Honorable Sports Minister of India, Shri Kiren Rijiju. The Assam Rifles Public School Sports Horse Riding Contingent is led by Commander Deepak Kumar Tiwari of Class 12 Science on Jo Hukum, followed by Astha Tiwari of Class 12 Science on Tornado, Sneha Lukram of Class 9 on Desert Rose, Prajwal Sharma of Class 10 on Pathfinger, and Pratik Rai of Class 12 Arts on Jackknife.
Next in line is the Border Wing Home Guards Brass Band Platoon. The Brass Band Wing Home Guards Battalion was raised in the year 1983 and has then been performing in many functions across the state, both official and non-official. Being the only recognized brass band from the state, the Border Wing Home Guards Brass Band has been actively engaging in every function of national importance, such as the Republic Day and the Independence Day parades in the state capital every year, as also in functions all over the state. In addition, the band members are also engaged in law and order duties and emergencies whenever the need arises. Members of the brass band have won medals and awards for their performances, devotion to duty, integrity, and discipline. Notable among them being the President's Medal for Distinguished and Meritorious Service. This year's contingent is being led by Inspector Buckstar Mansong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are also proud to have with us, participating in this year's Republic Day celebrations, the Brass Band of the Border Security Force. The BSF Brass Band was established in the year 1981 at Headquarter BSF Meghalaya Umpling, Shillong. This band is functioning under the leadership of ASI Yashwant Singh. The band has participated in various regimental functions at Meghalaya, as well as during the passing out parade at NEPA. Besides the above, they have also participated in many important events of the Meghalaya and played an outstanding role to make events more successful.
While we await the arrival of the chief guests, we are happy to announce the list of awardees for the Police Medal for Meritorious Service on this occasion of the Republic Day 2025. Shri Evel N. Marak, Armed Police Sub-Inspector, Shri Tomol C.H. Sangma, Armed Police Sub-Inspector, and Shri Rajesh Thapa, Havildar, Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also happy to announce the recipients of the Governor's Police Medal for outstanding service to police officers and personnel on the occasion of the celebration of the 76th Republic Day. Shri Billy Graham R. Marak, MPS, Superintendent of Police, Tura. Shri Mac Joel Mangar, MPS, DSP Traffic, Shillong. Ms. Priyanka W. Sangma, MPS, Additional Superintendent of Police, West Garo Hills, Tura, Shri Banai Teilang Dengan, Additional SP, East Jaintia Hills, Inspector Johnny F. Thank you, WPSI Pushpa Chetri, UBSI Bikash Gurung, UBSI Rovia Nongrum, UBSI Arki Dalang Walang, Havildar Sebrian Linkoy, WPU LNK Sengtera K. Sangma, ABC Kofi Albert Pathau, Shri Tapash Barwa, Shri Frankie Marwin.
On this day, the 26th of January, India became a republic. It was on this day in 1950 that the Constitution of India came into effect, making India a sovereign, democratic republic. This day marks the culmination of years of struggle for independence and the beginning of a new era in which the people of India became the true rulers of their own land. The significance of Republic Day lies in the fact that it reflects the democratic spirit of our nation. It is a celebration of the values enshrined in our Constitution, such as justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. These principles form the foundation of our society and guide us towards building a nation that respects every individual's rights, freedom, and dignity. Republic Day is also a reminder of the immense sacrifices made by our freedom fighters who dreamed of an independent and democratic India. It is an occasion to pay tribute to those heroes who fought for the rights we now enjoy. The day also serves as an opportunity to reflect on our responsibilities as citizens to uphold the Constitution and work towards the betterment of our country. Republic Day provides an opportunity to reflect on how far India has come since its independence and to reaffirm our commitment to progress, peace, and harmony. As we celebrate this day, let us remember the values of our Constitution and continue working towards a society that is inclusive, just, and prosperous to all.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the bugle hoot announcing the arrival of the chief guest of today's program, His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankar, accompanied by the First Lady, Srimati Babita Vijay Shankar. Kindly rise as we welcome the Honorable Governor.
Receiving our esteemed chief guest is the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi District, Srimati R.M. Korba, IAS, and the Superintendent of Police, East Khasi District, Shri Vivek Aim, IPS, along with the Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri D.P. Walang, IAS, and Srimati I. Nongrang, IPS, the Director General of Police.
Our chief guest is being escorted to the flagpole by two NCC cadets, Senior Under Officer Lily Mary Nongdhar and Senior Under Officer Azel Rakho. Kindly remain standing for the unfurling of the national flag to be followed by the national anthem.
परेड राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट सलामी शस्त्र
1, 2, 3, 4.
परेड बाजू शस्त्र
Ladies and gentlemen, the parade commander will now report for inspection to the chief guest, the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. The parade commander for this parade is Kumari KPS Sahitya, IPS 2023 batch. She hails from Visakhapatnam and has completed her BTech in Geoinformatics from Andhra University. She is currently posted as ASP, East Khasi Hills District.
जय हिंद श्रीमान गणतंत्रता दिवस परेड पर एक परेड कमांडर, एक परेड 2IC और 14 कॉन्टिंजेंट आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest will now inspect the contingents, and escorting the chief guest is the parade commander. May kindly be seated.
Today's chief guest, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankar Ji, was born on the 21st of October 1956 in Makanur, Haveri district of Karnataka. His Excellency is a distinguished Indian politician who currently serves as the 21st Governor of Meghalaya. Appointed to this prestigious position by the Honorable President of India on the 30th of July 2024, His Excellency's career has spanned over several decades, marked by his dedication to public service and his significant contributions to both state and national politics. His political journey began in the early 1990s when he was elected to the Karnataka Legislative Assembly from the Honsur constituency in 1994. As the governor of Meghalaya, his focus on promoting sustainable development, fostering social harmony, and enhancing education, health, and the state's infrastructure is expected to drive Meghalaya forward on the path of progress. His appointment as a governor is a testament to his decades of service to the nation and his commitment to upholding the values of democracy, good governance, and public welfare.
This year's Republic Day celebrations is particularly significant as we reflect upon the theme of Jan Bhagidari Se Jan Kalyan, people's participation for people's welfare. This powerful concept underscores the vital role that every citizen plays in shaping our nation's future and advancing the collective well-being of society. Jan Bhagidari isn't merely a statement, it's a call to action, urging all of us to actively participate in the democratic process that defines our republic. Whether it is in the form of voting, community service, or contributing to a nation building, the theme highlights the indispensable contribution of each individual towards the greater good. This Republic Day, let us commit ourselves to strengthening Jan Bhagidari and ensuring that the welfare of every citizen is upheld and our Republic continues to thrive in unity, diversity, and shared purpose. Parade commander has now taken leave of the chief guest to command the march past to begin shortly. The contingents will march to the tunes to be played by the brass band drawn from the Border Wing Home Guards and the Border Security Force.
दाहिने दिशा बदलकर मंच से गुजरेंगे। नंबर 1 प्लाटून आगे। परेड निकट लाइन चल। परेड स्क्वाड थम एक दो परेड तीनों तीन के कॉलम में 22 से 23 चल
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives us immense pride to present to you the 12 marching contingents in this year's Republic Day celebrations. Leading the contingents today is the Parade Commander Kumari KPS Sahitya, IPS, followed by the second in command, ABSI Dinesh Boro of the Meghalaya Police.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलना मैडम। बायात चलेगा, बायात, मर।
Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the saluting dais is the parade commander, Shri Kumari KPS Sahitya, and the second in command, ABSI Dinesh Boro. Approaching the saluting dais is the BSF contingent led by SI Mohana Ram. Taking the salute now is the CRPF contingent led by Inspector P. Haukip. Approaching the saluting dais, Sikkim Police being led by SI Suman Pokhrel. Taking the salute now is the District Executive Force being led by Armed Branch Sub-Inspector Raju K. Sangma. Following closely behind and taking the salute is the 1st MLP Battalion being led by ABSI Jimbat Sangma. Can we support with a round of applause? And approaching the saluting dais is the NCC boys being led by Senior Under Officer Alan Vaiche. Following the NCC boys is the NCC girls being led by Senior Under Officer Dahun Lang Nongtnger. Approaching the saluting dais and to take the salute is the Bharat Scouts and Guides being led by Stevenson Murthong. Taking the salute now is the Indian Red Cross Society being led by John Ricky Kharbani. Taking the salute now is the Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School being led by Benizios A. And following closely behind is the Holy Child Higher Secondary School, being led by its commander Nelima Gurung. And taking the salute, last but not the least, is the Assam Rifles Public School horse contingent, being led by Commander Deepak Kumar Tiwari on Jo Hukum, Astha Tiwari on Tornado, Sneha Lukram on Desert Rose, Prajwal Sharma on Pathfinder, and lastly Pratik Rai on Jackknife. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a loud round of applause for the striking display of parade at the 76th Republic Day celebrations here in Shillong, the result of the untiring efforts being put by all the contingents, the drill masters, braving the chills these past few days.
आगे बढ़ेगा बाएं मोड़ परेड चल खुली लाइन चल परेड सज मध्य सज समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़ेगा मध्य से तेज चल
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the Samiksha Gram, or the 14 steps forward.
राष्ट्रीय सल्यूट सलामी शस्त्र
1, 2, 3, 4.
परेड विश्राम
May I now humbly invite our esteemed chief guest, His Excellency the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri C.H. Vijay Shankarji, to kindly address the gathering on this solemn occasion of our Republic Day.
My dear fellow citizens of
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya, respected officers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, heartfelt greetings to you all on this 76th Republic Day. Today our great nation celebrates Swarnim Bharat, Virasat or Vikas. I extend my warm greetings to all. This day honors for democracy, Constitution and its great values. Today, let us pay homage to our leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, Netas Subhash Chandra Bose ji, Sardar Patel ji, Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar ji, Babu Rajendra Prasad ji, and many other legends of our freedom struggle, alongside Meghalaya's heroes, Wu Tirong Singh, Wu Kiong Nangwa, and Pa Togan and Sangma. We salute the dedication of our armed forces, paramilitary and Meghalaya police for ensuring our safety. I pay tribute to the brave hearts of our armed forces who laid their lives for the security of our great nation. As our country is in Amrit Kaal and under the leadership of our visionary Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, we all are working together to be a developed country by 2047. Our state, Meghalaya, aims to be $10 billion economy by 2028 and working to be a developed state and a prominent partner in the developed India during this Amrit Kaal. In 2023-24, our state remained peaceful. From 1st July 2024, 3 new criminal laws, BNSS, BNS and BSA were implemented, while autonomous district council courts remain under the 6th schedule. The government is focused on sustainable urban development with New Shillong City as a key project. The state is advancing in waste management, clearing over 1.15 lakhs metric tons of Shillong and Tura landfills. Government is fostering private investment to drive growth and employment, reserving 90% of the non-managerial jobs in the new industries for the local under the Meghalaya State Investment Promotion and Facilitation Act 2024 and our state industrial policy. The government is committed to provide housing for all, tap water to all 6.5 lakh rural households and ensuring a reliable power supply with no scheduled load shedding. State is focusing to ensure all weather road connectivity across the state and priority projects like Shillong Dauki, Tura and Dalo and Shillong Western Bypass ongoing, which will boost the state economy. The IT sector offers significant job opportunities with Shillong Tech Park already employing over 1,000 youths. The tourism is a key driver of our economic growth. Shillong has been named the most popular destination for the Indian travelers in 2025 by Skyscanner. Agriculture and horticulture and food processing remains a priority for the state, with its contribution to the GSDP doubling in the last 5 years. The livestock plays a key role in the rural livelihoods through the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana and Meghalaya State Aquaculture Mission 2.0 Rural Development Backward Program. The CM Elevate scheme and other initiatives, state is committed to fisheries, animal husbandry, and making sustainable progress in the rural livelihood sector. The government prioritizes women in its development policies, promoting entrepreneurship, financial inclusion, and holistic growth in line with the state's maternal society. The Meghalaya government focuses on the holistic development with the comprehensive anti-drug project DREAM, involving communities, institutions, and faith organizations to combat substance abuse. The state has reduced maternal deaths by 53% and infant deaths by 40% over the first 5 years. The Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme has improved institutional deliveries, benefiting over 3 lakh pregnant women. Mega Health Insurance Scheme has been a record number of claims, reflecting trust in the system. Medical colleges are being set up in Shillong and Tura, with a plan to admit 100 MBBS students annually in each. Starting operation this year in Shillong, the government is focused on improving education quality and learning outcomes. The Captain Williamson Sangma State University, Meghalaya's first state university, has been inaugurated and recognized by the UGC. It will eliminate the need for the common university entrance test for affiliated colleges. Meghalaya has a youthful population with 30.6% in the 15 to 30 age group, above the national average. They harness this potential. The government is focusing on sports excellence, especially in football, aiming to train athletes and build 100% grassroots infrastructures develop clubs and academies. The government launched the Hello Meghalaya OTT platform on 11 July 2024. Streaming films, short films, and music videos. The government provides funds up to rupees 35 lakhs for film production in these languages. And the app has recorded 7.3 lakh content downloads. The government is focused on the skilling youth for the future employability. In 2024-25, the Honorable Vice President of India laid the foundation for the Meghalaya Skill and Innovation Hub. The government aims to boost the startups in Meghalaya by upgrading skills of around 1,800 MSME in 2024-25. The government is dedicated to promote arts, culture, and heritage. The government has initiated large-scale community conservation of living root bridges with 131 bridges across 74 villages mapped and 42 cooperative societies formed. The government is safeguarding Meghalaya's land, water, and vegetation through initiatives like the Green Meghalaya program and climate adaptive community-based water harvesting projects. 76 years ago, on this day, the citizens of India conferred upon themselves the sovereignty of this nation. As heirs to that legacy, we will forge closer partnership amongst Meghalaya's youth, women, farmers, entrepreneurs, and traditional institutions. Let us strive together to continue to contribute towards the growth and development of our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Once again, I wish you very, very happy Republic Day. Thanks to all of you. Kuble, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
On behalf of everyone present, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya for his inspiring and thought-provoking address. Your words resonate deeply with the values of unity and progress that define our republic. Thank you, sir, for sharing your vision and wisdom with us today. May I now request one and all to kindly rise for the singing of the national anthem.
राष्ट्रगान शुरू कर। अधिनायक जय हे
भारत भाइयों की गाथा, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड उत्कल गंगा।
Thank you. Pray be seated. The parade commander will now report to the chief guests for Anumati or the consent to lead the parade out.
जय हिंद श्रीमान। गणतंत्रता दिवस परेड समाप्त हुई। परेड को निष्क्रमण करने की अनुमति प्रदान करें श्रीमान। परेड 2IC, परेड को कूच कर।
March! तीन मैच आगे बढ़ेगा। पहले बराबर मैच अंदर का चलेगा। पहला भैया घूम, पहला भैया से चल।
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have another round of applause for the magnificent marching contingents leading the parade round to the glorious tunes of Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara, beautifully rendered by the brass band, the border home guards, and the border security force. At this juncture, we would like to place on record our gratitude to all the 12 marching contingents, the brass band platoons of the bordering home guards and the border security force, the drill masters, the parade commander and the 2IC, and a special mention to the 3 equipments.
Ladies and gentlemen, moving on as part of the official Republic Day celebrations tradition, we also have a tableau display lined up. These tableaus are put forward by the various departments of the state government to showcase their achievements, the strides made by the department, innovative works taken up, etc., for the information of one and all. Ladies and gentlemen, the first in the lineup of the tableaus is NCC Meghalaya tableau with the title Empowering Youth for Nation Building. NCC Meghalaya characterizes the rich cultural heritage, unity and diversity, the vibrant spirit of the youth of Meghalaya. The state of Meghalaya has approximately 11,078 NCC cadets spread in all the 12 districts. It highlights the vital role of the National Cadet Corps in the northeastern region in fostering discipline, leadership, and community service amongst the youth. The center portion of the tableau showcases the NCC cadets' achievements in Meghalaya in various activities, their dedication, patriotism, and excellence. The message, unity and discipline, resonates as the driving force of the NCC's contribution to the nation. The NCC provides its cadets a unique opportunity to represent India on the international platform. In the middle is Lieutenant Badap Nongse, Associate NCC Officer. She was awarded the prestigious trophy at OTA Gwalior for the Best NCC Officer. To the left are the NCC cadets in tracksuits who have competed in the arm wrestling in Moldova and the Meghalaya Games, winning gold, silver, bronze in shooting and wrestling competitions.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the District Commerce and Industries Centre, Shillong. The Office of the General Manager, District Commerce and Industries Centre, Shillong, presents a tableau on PM Vishwakarma scheme. The tableau depicts how PM Vishwakarma scheme can bring about a qualitative shift in the way occupations are practiced by artisans by bridging the gap between where you are and where you can be, through the various benefits and support of the scheme, which consequently add up in uplifting the livelihood and quality of life of artisans and craftsperson. Firstly, artisans registered under the scheme are recognized as Vishwakarmas through certificates and ID cards, after which the traditional skill sets of artisans are further enhanced through skill upgradation, training, making them more proficient in their trades.
Next in the lineup of the tableaus is from the Meghalaya Tourism Department. The Meghalaya Tourism Department's Republic Day Parade tableau is designed to captivate the audience with a stunning display of the state's natural beauty, cultural richness, and progressive tourism initiatives. The main features of the tableau are the iconic Living Root Bridge, the clouds and waterfalls, the live subjects, which are the children. Two children have been dressed in traditional attire, adding a human touch to the display, reflecting Meghalaya's warm, hospitable and vibrant culture, echoing the genuine connections that visitors can expect to find within the community. And lastly, the tourism vehicle scheme and the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project. The Meghalaya Tourism Department's Republic Day tableau highlights the state's natural beauty, the cultural richness and the tourism initiatives.
Meghalaya, the land of lords. Tell your story so they will know. Meghalaya, where clouds come home. This is how the world shall know. I will go where the river flows. I will stay where the sunset glows.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the Meghalaya Basin Development Agency. The Meghalaya Basin Development Agency is the nodal agency incorporated under the Planning Department of the Government of Meghalaya, engaged in the implementation of various developmental projects that focus on natural resource management, access to finance, livelihoods, enterprises, agricultural practices, and market linkages. Meghalaya Livelihood and Access to Market Project, popularly known as MLAM, is one of the external projects implemented by MBMA, funded by IFAD, by incorporating components in 200 villages across 4 blocks: Mauplang, Soyong, Karashnong Latkro, and Shela Bholagan blocks.
Next in the lineup is the tableau being presented by the Office of the District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer, with the theme being piggery farming, empowering the youth, enriching communities. Meghalaya, known for its rich natural resources, culture and climatic conditions, creates a vast potential for livestock development. Among the various farming activities, piggery farming stands out as a lucrative employment opportunity for the rural and urban youth. Next in the lineup is the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Social Forestry Division, with the promotion of agarwood in Meghalaya. Agarwood is a fragrant, resinous wood that comes from the Aquilaria tree. In India, it grows mainly in the northeastern states, North West Bengal, as well as in some southern states like Karnataka, Kerala, and Goa. Some of its uses are for religious and spiritual purposes, medicinal purposes, perfume, cosmetics, ornamental values. Shakti. The next tableau is from the Social Welfare Department. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme was launched on the 22nd of January 2015 to address the issue of decline in the child sex ratio in the country, along with related issues of empowerment of girls and women. The aims and objectives: improving the sex ratio at birth, improvement in percentages of institutional deliveries, and to check the dropout rate of girls at secondary and higher secondary levels. In Meghalaya, the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao was implemented in Ribhoi district since 2015 and in East Khasi Hills in the year 2018. And in 23, the Ministry of Women and Child Development has extended the scheme to all districts under Mission Shakti.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the Soil and Water Conservation Department under the theme of Jal Shakti Abhiyan, Catch the Rain, a commitment to sustainable water management. Water is crucial for sustaining life on earth, yet it is often overlooked. To address water scarcity and mismanagement, the district administration, East Khasi Hills district, along with all other water-related departments, has launched the Jal Shakti Abhiyan program. This initiative focuses on water conservation and sustainable usages through the Catch the Rain campaign, which emphasizes on water conservation by encouraging rainwater harvesting, watershed management, and the restoration of the traditional water bodies. The initiative is further supported by the Jal Shakti Kendra in the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, which provides technical guidance and knowledge sharing to local authorities, helping communities access vital information and resources to adopt better water management practices, ensuring long-term sustainability.
Next in the lineup of the tableaus is that from the Office of the District Horticulture Officer and District Agriculture Officer. The theme being Pollinator Power, Protecting the Bees for a Sustainable Future. Bees, being one of nature's most intricate creations, play a critical role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems, not only in agriculture, but in our health and economy as well. Apiculture goes beyond honey production. It is vital for pollination, biodiversity, and creation of valuable products like beeswax and propolis. The Office of the District Agriculture Officer and District Horticulture Officer, East Khasi Hills, is committed to promoting sustainable beekeeping practices that benefit farmers, local industries, and the environment. By embracing the power of the bees, we can ensure a prosperous, sustainable future for agriculture and beyond.
Next in the lineup, we have the tableau from the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society. This year's Republic Day celebration, the tableau is designed to showcase the contributions and achievements of the Government of Meghalaya through the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society in delivering top-tier skill development initiatives to the people of Meghalaya. The theme of the tableau is Overseas Placement. MSSDS aims to meet the aspirations of a modern, dynamic, and competitive workforce. It also highlights a skilled ecosystem that is evolving, ultimately contributing to significant remittances for the state. MSSDS is collaborating with various agencies to provide young professionals with opportunities to work in countries such as the United Kingdom, Germany, Austria, Canada, Israel, and Saudi Arabia. These opportunities span job roles in healthcare, hospitality, construction, and IT.
Last but not the least, we have the tableau from the Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong. Presenting the Health Department's tableau for the Republic Day 2025 with the theme, Actions Have Consequences, You Get What You Give. This tableau is presented by the Office of the DMHO East Khasi Hills, highlighting the importance of preventing early detection of non-communicable diseases which account for 74% of the global deaths according to the World Health Organization. Non-communicable diseases are known as chronic diseases which include heart diseases, stroke, cancer, chronic respiratory diseases and diabetes which can be managed with early detection and treatment. However, individuals with NCDs often remain unaware of the condition until it's too late, as symptoms may not appear until many years after exposure to risk factors such as tobacco use, excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, chronic stress, sedentary lifestyle, and poor sleep habits. As the theme suggests, our actions and dietary choices have a profound impact on our overall health. The tableau features Hippocrates, the father of medicine, holding a scale with the 10 rules for prevention, early diagnosis, and management of non-communicable diseases. By adopting healthy lifestyle choices and undergoing regular health screenings, individuals can reduce the risk of NCDs, increasing their life expectancy and leading a wholesome, healthy life to its fullest. Ladies and gentlemen, can we support the tableau displays by the departments with a loud round of applause? As part of the Republic Day celebrations, we are proud to announce the recipients of various awards and medals in this year's Republic Day. First among the awards is the Meghalaya Day Awards. The Meghalaya Day Award was introduced in the year 1989. The award is conferred upon deserving individuals of the state as a recognition of their outstanding contribution in the following categories, namely the U Tirot Singh's AIM Award for Arts and Literature, the Partogan N. Sangma Award for Social Services, the U Kiang Nangba Award for Sports and Games. The award is announced every year on the occasion of Meghalaya Day on the 21st January and presented during the official celebration of the Republic Day, which is the 26th of January at the state capital, Shillong. The award carries a citation, a certificate, and a cash award of rupees 2 lakhs each. This year, the following persons have been recognized for their outstanding contribution in the respective fields. Shri Sem Bartush A. Sangma, the U Tirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature, Reverend Wiley Cooper Kongwir, the Partogan N. Sangma Award for Social Service, and Srimati Kumoin Walang, the Meghalaya Day Award under the U Kiang Nongba Award Sports and Games. May I request the recipients to please come on to the dais, and may I request our Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya, to give away the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, we are also proud to announce in this year's Republic Day the felicitation of the class 10 and 12 meritorious girl students. We are delighted to announce a momentous milestone in the journey of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme as we proudly celebrate 10 years of growth, achievements, and unwavering commitment to this mission. It has made significant contributions to prevent gender-biased sex-selective practices and helped in better protection of the girl child, promoting their education. The objective of felicitating the meritorious girls is to encourage girls' education, to boost self-esteem, and to inspire others, creating role models for other girls, whilst inspiring them to strive for excellence in education and beyond. May I request the meritorious girls to please come forward. Miss Alethea Aimley of St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, having secured a percentage of 95.7. Ms. Nitya Agarwal from Army Public School, 95.8%. Aisha Deka from Loreto Convent, 97%. Nas Bashar, St. Mary's High Secondary School. Ania Chokhani, Army Public School. Aditi Duhaka Lingdo, Pine Mount School. Ame Ba Ai Hunsha Kharbi, St. Anthony's High Secondary School. Diksha Rathor, Army Public School. Suhani W. Polang from Pine Mount School. Ferry Fali Fila Risha 1 from St. Mary's High Secondary School. And Vishaka Sharma from Army Public School. May I request all the meritorious schoolgirls to please come forward, and may I request our Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency the Governor, to kindly give away the awards. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move ahead to the cultural part of today's program. Ladies and gentlemen, the first cultural item is titled Desh Rangila. It is a group dance being performed by the JNV Mauflang. This is an energetic Bollywood patriotic song from the movie Fana, which was sung by Mahalakshmi Iyer. This song featured by Kajol, who grabbed viewers with her wonderful dancing. The song defines and describes India in a fascinating way, telling us that India is packed with many vibrant colors which go together harmoniously. The theme of this dance is the land of unity and diversity.
Can we all give a big round of applause for that beautiful performance by the GNV Mauplang group dancing team? At this juncture, I'd now like to call upon the next cultural item, that is the group song by the GNV Mauplang, to please come forward. The name of the group song is Hoi Q. This is a multi-language song composed and written by Prince Tone Sutunga and Damon M. Kharbuki. This song features the children of the Hinyu stand in unity to retain one culture and identify with their homeland or beyond its bound. In serene silence, there is a whole of self-esteem, and in diversity, there is a strength to strengthen its own. Let us now stand firm so our race may live on. This is the name of the song, Hoi Q, given by GNV Mauplang. Thank you, JNV Mauplang, for your beautiful song, which not only showcases the richness of our culture, but also reminds us of the deep traditions and values that bind us together as a nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be having the last cultural item, which is the Rajasthani traditional dance to be performed by JNV Mausan Ram. I would also like to invite on stage the awardees for the best march pass and for the tableau display. In third position, for the best march pass, in third position, we have the NCC girls. In second position, the Holy Child Higher Secondary School. And this year's winners of the March Pass in first place is the Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. May I request the representatives of the schools to kindly come forward. Also, the best tableaus. In third position is the District Social Welfare Office. In second position is the District Commerce and Industries. And the winners of this year's tableau display is the Office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya is a system of central schools for talented students from rural areas in India. The school aims to identify and nurture talented students from rural areas, providing high-quality education and opportunities for students from disadvantaged backgrounds. It aims to promote national integration and social cohesion. Many of JNVs are also entitled to PM Shri Schools as a part of a larger initiative by the Government of India to enhance the quality of education in India. Presenting to you the Rajasthani traditional dance by JNV Mausan Ram.
The students of JNV Mausan Ram would like to present a Rajasthani folk dance on this auspicious day of 76th Republic Day celebration. This dance celebrates the homecoming and victory of warriors.
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो
Thank you, JNV Mosenram. May I request the March Pass awardees to please come forward. In third place, NCC Girls. The second prize to Holy Child Higher Secondary School. And the winners of the March Pass, Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. Request the student representatives to please come forward to receive the awards. I'd request one and all to kindly stand while the state and may I also request the awardees of the tableau to please come forward. In third place, the District Social Welfare Officer. In second position, the District Commerce and Industries. And the winners of the tableau is the Office of the Divisional Soil and Water Conservation. I would also like to request the Assam Rifles Public School horse riding contingent to please come forward to receive the special memento. Thank you, sir. May now request one and all to kindly stand for the state anthem.
Respected dignitaries, esteemed guests, as we come to the end of this wonderful Republic Day celebrations, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for your presence and participation. Today, we have not only commemorated the birth of our Constitution, but also reflected on the values of justice, equality, and fraternity that it enshrines. Through the inspiring speech of His Excellency, the cultural performances, and the various displays of talent, we have celebrated the spirit of India, our unity, our diversity, and our shared vision for a better future. We have been reminded of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and the importance of working together for the progress of our nation. On behalf of everyone present here, we extend our sincere thanks to all those who have contributed to making this event a success, especially the performers, organizers, and volunteers. Your hard work and dedication are deeply appreciated. As we leave today, let us carry forward the message of Republic Day, of respecting our Constitution, upholding our democratic values, and contributing to a stronger, more inclusive India. Let us pledge to make our country a place where justice, peace, and harmony prevail, where every citizen can live up with dignity and equality. Thank you once again, and Jai Hind.
It's an announcement for all the March Pass contingents as well as the tableau departments to come forward and collect your participation certificates.
កាស្នាមមាត់ទួយក្លែមសង្ងែទូយេងវត្តយ៉ាមរ៉ាន់ឌៀមវត្តត្រេបាត់បុយឆាប់ថងវត្តអើមសង្ងែអត់ជីងមកយ៉ាភីងាកាចាញ់កាខំឧបាច់កាហ៊ីម៉ាអារៀងគិនខ្លាយូមកបណាហារីបាយយីមេបាអាហ្វូរីបាយ
I'd request all the parade commanders of the different marching contingents to please come towards the stage area to collect the certificates for all your team members.